Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Well, today I'm going to show you guys how I make my sesame seeds. Sesame seeds is also called Benne seeds. In Africa, Liberia, we call it Benne seeds. That's the major name we know. Maybe the Asian or American, they call it sesame seeds, but we call it Benne seeds. So yeah, right now I'm just hashing it up. It was already roasted when I bought it, but I just want it a little bit darker and brown. So when I hash it, I can have that like dark brown look and stuff like that. Not like brown, but dark brown. So yeah, right now I'm just hashing it. When you buy it raw or the fresh one, whatever, sometimes you wash it because you feel like got sand in there, or you just want it to be washed, and then put it in the pot, hash it up till it turns brown or dark brown before you can blend it. So yeah, that's how sesame seed look, or Benne seed. If you don't know what Benne seed look like, or if you hear the name Benne seed, or if you hang with an African Liberian person, they say, "Oh, I need some Benne seed." It's called sesame seed too. So yeah, sesame seeds are source of many B vitamins. Is extremely important to the red blood cells. It contains a lot of minerals such as calcium, iron, magnesium, I think potassium, zinc, and maybe copper. Yeah, and they support the bone. So yeah, that's really what sesame seeds is about. We make it, we hash it up and blend it up, and we use it for our fufu and soup, or when you're eating dry rice. Back when you make dry rice, like homemade dry rice, you put some Benne on there with red oil. You be killing yourself, like, ooh, it tastes good, yummy. Yeah, so when you're making fufu and soup or GB, that's how you make the Benne, and then you can just, save it for whenever you need it. You put it in like a container, and store it for later on. You can also make sesame seed with candy bar. Make candy bar out of sesame seed. I think back home, like, you put the sugar in the pot, you let it melt, and I think it turned brown, and then you put the sesame seed in it. I can't remember. I was a little bit younger. So yeah, that's how you make it. And now I just put it in a container. Now I'm adding a little bit onto my fufu and soup and stuff, like my soup basically. And yeah, like when you go to the store to go buy bread, sometimes you see sesame seeds on there, or when you buy a burger, when you're eating a burger, or you buy the burger bun, or you go buy a burger, you see sesame seeds on there. Yeah, it's really good for the health, for our health and stuff, like for the bones and stuff. So yeah, now I just made my doodoo. I mixed it with okra, with billabo or kitele, whatever you want to put in your doodoo to make it thicker and nice. You put it in there. So that's what I did, and now we make the soup a little bit thicker and nice looking, and it help the fufu to go down really nice and smooth. So guys, that's how I make my sesame seed or Benne seed and stuff like that. That's how you make doodoo, fufu and soup. Fufu and soup with a doodoo on the side. Let's eat it. Come on, man, I'm crazy. Well, yeah, that's how you make your doodoo for your fufu and soup. But if you don't want to see a full video on that, just let me know, and hit me down below, and I'll, do it for you guys. So yes, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you see how I made my sesame seed or Benne seed. And if you have anything else, just let me know, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So thanks for watching once again, and God bless you guys.